Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, we are going to check out the Amazon Echo Dot. This is the 4th generation, and we'll take it out of the box, we'll see what it looks like, we'll go through the setup process, and we'll see what it's capable of doing, and then we'll do a final review and recap at the end. So my wife got this for me for my birthday just a little bit ago, and I've wanted one of these for a long time, but I've just been hesitant, and I don't know why, but I have been. But there are a lot of like smart home things that I want to incorporate into the Echo Dot. But the first thing I needed to do was to get the Echo Dot. So my wife, helped me make that step. So let me go ahead and I'm going to get the Echo Dot out of the box here, get everything organized, and then I'll be back and we'll give it the once over and see what it looks like. All right, guys, here's everything that was inside the box. We got a couple different owner's manuals here that we'll need to read through. We have the Echo Dot itself, and then right over here we have the power adapter. So let's take a closer look at the Echo Dot. This is the blue one here. We have 4 different buttons right up here. We have an action button, we have the microphone on-off button, and then we have the volume up and the volume down button there. Right down here is where the power adapter plugs into, and then right there is the 3.5 millimeter line out. And then down on the bottom here is where the light illuminates from the Echo Dot. So let's take a look at the front here. So this is how it would be facing, like towards us with this part, the back towards the wall. It does have a 1.6-inch speaker in it and 4 different microphones. So before we do anything further with the Echo Dot, the next thing we need to do is download the app. So let me show you that right now. All right, guys, so once you open the Google Play Store, you can start to type in Amazon, and this is the app you want to install. So while this is installing, before we open it, we do need to plug in our Echo Dot and let it go through the startup process. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, I just plugged the Echo Dot in, and it tells us in the user's manual that it will do this for about a minute or so, and then it will let us know when it's ready to take the next step. And once we reach that point, then we'll head back to the app. So let's let it do its thing, and when it's ready, it'll let us know, and we'll go from there.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
All right, guys, let's head back to the app. All right, guys, so this is the app, and I won't be able to cover everything inside of the app, but I do want to point out some things that I think it's important to know. If the app doesn't prompt you to add your new device, that's the first thing I want to show you. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, that's the main menu there. We're currently on the home screen. We're going to go to the More screen, which is the option on the bottom right corner. All right, guys, so this is the next screen, and right on top there is where you add a device, and once you select that, it will take you through the additional steps that you need to do to add your Echo Dot. So let's go ahead and move on to a couple other things that I wanted to show you inside of the app here. All right, guys, this is the next screen I wanted to show you, and you get here from the home screen by going to the More option, then Settings, then Account Settings, then you make it to this screen here. And Recognized Voices allows you to create a specific voice profile for your voice. Once you select this, it will walk you through these screens here and have you repeat these phrases, and then your voice profile will be created. All right, guys, so this is the last screen I wanted to show you inside of the app for this video. And you get to this screen from the home screen by going to the More option, then Settings, then Device Settings. Then you select your device, and then you select Wake Word. So the wake word is the word that the Echo Dot will wake up to once you say it. Currently, there are 4 different options you can choose from. Okay, well, let's go ahead and head back to the Echo Dot, and let's try out some different things with it and see how well it works. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check out a few things with the Echo Dot here. So I did change my wake word to computer, and we can see that it picked it up there. Now, let me go ahead and turn the microphone off, and let's see if it still picks it up. Computer? Computer? Okay, nothing. Now let me try it. I'm going to walk across the garage and see if it can pick me up from across the garage. Computer? All right, we saw that it picked that up. Okay, so let's go ahead and ask it a basic question here. Computer, can you tell me the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 60 degrees.
All right, that was pretty cool. It was pretty quick to respond there. So now let's go ahead and it's capable of setting timers. So let's set a really fast timer here just so we can test it out. Computer, can you set a timer for 5 seconds?
5 seconds, starting now.
All right, that's cool. I like the sound of that. This would be a good opportunity to test out the volume. I think that's maxed out there. That gets pretty loud. And that's all the way down there. Gets pretty quiet. Let's get it back in the middle somewhere here. All right, computer, can you turn off the alarm, please? And another way to turn off the alarm would have been to hit the action button there. All right, so let's move on to the shopping list. So, computer, can you tell me what's on my shopping list?
Your shopping list is empty. Try saying, computer, add eggs to my shopping list.
Computer, can you add pineapple, strawberries, and milk to my shopping list?
I have added pineapple, strawberries, and milk to your shopping list.
Computer, can you tell me what's on my shopping list?
You have 3 items on your shopping list: milk, strawberries, and pineapple.
Computer, can you remove milk from the shopping list?
I've checked off milk from your shopping list.
All right, guys, well, that was it, the Amazon Echo Dot. We walked through some of the basic things it can do, but it's capable of so much more. I'll have additional videos in the future showing some of the other things it can do. The next video for the Echo Dot that I plan on making is I have some smart light bulbs that I want to install in the garage, and then see how they work with the Amazon Echo Dot. So if that's something you're interested in, please check that video out when it comes out. I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.